कलश यात्रा पेन श्रीमद् भगवत कथा भक्ति ज्ञान यज्ञ कपंगचेंग Bukulia Police Station di Parlo Sikari Gate Tarwa Rong Adung Ike Bricks Industry atum itakitip ing tonte. Dipu lamding atawar theso ajur Art of Living sahya malong kibi Art of Living Happiness Retreat Program along USA pen bangke Thomson than kuru atum nang chetong dun. Karbi prime time long pen nili junaliti mungpi non birta ang ton pen arju ikha kala sobha yatra mate tibuk pen lang kisok asai pangchengsi dipu manja atawar second gate ARTC rong so long Srimad Bhagavad Katha Bhakti Gyan Jagya pangcheng pontanglo
Manja second gate ARTC Shiv Shakti Mandir pen jakong krepli arni an kidoji hithi rui Srimad Bhagavad Katha Bhakti Gyan Yoga Jaimek wosik troksiarni adap kala sobha yatra pen si pangcheng Dhonsuri along kido Sri Sri Bhagavad Dham akuru pensi arnamalam lapen kardom kardi monsam aphan padoji hithi ruajai megalong Srimad Bhagavad Mahatma Katha Gajendra Moksha Vaman Avatar Katha Sri Krishna Lila lapen Govardhan Puja Sudama Katha Bhagavad Vyas Pujan lapen Diksha Samurajai mekta doji
Dipu lamding atawar theso ajur Art of Living asa hemalong non hedjong kapajut Art of Living Happiness Retreat along United States of America asor bangki Thomson than kuru nang chetong dun lamding atawar theso ajur asa hemalong non hedjong kapajut Art of Living Happiness Retreat along talo troxy lapen langroi kreki thom haparai pen USA bangki Thomson than kuru atum nang chetong dun alang litum bangki thom amen lake USA West Michigan University Social Work Department pen Dr. Jennifer Harrison West Michigan University Business Management pen Dr. Timothy Pamel lapen West Michigan University Education Department pen Dr. Luan Pamel atum henlo alang litum karpiang long kibang pen ning karong alam kad news apherang kia phan than tekang non ne likido lage Art of Living sa hemalong sido theso ajur nilinang la bange Thomson than kuro tumhana chitong isi ke bang lasi alang litum Michigan State University pen si ke bang lasi alang litum la anak he lopen kopia fancy kopia thesi la dake bang ma linga alang litum pen sidi sena can you tell me from where did you came to know about this Art of Living in especially in Karbi Anglong?
So I'm an assistant professor of social work at Western Michigan University in Kalamazoo, Michigan in the US and I first heard about Art of Living based upon a keynote presentation at a conference that I was presenting at in Cochin last January at Rajagiri University and one of the teachers from the Art of Living Cochin ashram was presenting about their yoga interventions for veterans and for prisoners throughout the world and so that really made me interested in seeing Art of Living myself and being able to attend a course here.
I'm a professor of business at Western Michigan University. And Dr. Jennifer and I have been doing a study abroad for several years. And our goal is to try to help our students to see the world in different ways, to appreciate different ways of thinking, different ways of feeling.
Dr. Luan, how you feel about our culture and Karbi heritage?
Oh, actually, I absolutely love the last couple of days I spent here. I'm Louanne Beerline-Palmer. I'm also a professor at Western Michigan University. I'm in the education leadership area and have the pleasure to join these professors to do some further exploration of your beautiful country, to look for new opportunities to bring students in the future. And I also feel very fortunate that I had a chance to come to know a little bit about your community, be introduced to some of your traditional dress as I was taking there, as well as some of the food, and it has been an absolute honor and pleasure to have been here in the community, but have spent the time here at the ashram, learning, doing, and hoping that others will be able to do the same thing. That is something that would be very wonderful if we were able to come back again. I'm one of those where I'll never know when the opportunity will be there, but if it is, I'd be there again in a heartbeat. We were not aware that this was actually a tribal community, and so having spent personally some time in the United States, in Arizona and elsewhere where we have our Native American population, other indigenous population, it's been a real treasure to have been here. And so yes, if I have the opportunity, I'll be back again.
From a very young age, from 16 years on, we recommend them to do meditation. And meditation improves the quality of observation, expression, communication. It sharpens the intellect. It improves memory, improves focus, sharpens the intellect. meditation, along with giving a healthy and happy mind. Our Gurudev, Shri Shri Ravi Shankar, says that meditation is mental hygiene, like how dental hygiene is very, very necessary. Similarly, mental hygiene is very necessary, especially in today's stressful world. When life has become so fast-paced and we are doing so many tasks together, multitasking. Each one of us wants to be the best in what we are doing. So the mind is in constant race, catch up with the world. So there is no time for the mind to relax, to rest. So meditation has become a necessity. It is very necessary to take the time off to attend to yourself so that you can be better in what we are doing.
After connecting with this art of living, how do you feel or how it changed your life?
It has changed tremendously. And I'm truly grateful to Puja Gurudev, Shri Shri Ravi Shankar ji, that there are so many hurdles that we do encounter in our daily life. And it has helped me definitely to respond with a smile, with a positive attitude and not to give up. So this positivity is what I really take from this art of living.
Yeah, this is one of the most beautiful places I have been in my life, and this place is called Tourist, and all over the world people are coming and appreciating the beauty of Karbi. Personally, I have spent almost 2 years here, and I wish that many more would come, appreciate the local tribal customs, traditions, culture, and share it on a global platform. Like we have people from the USA, they are going back, they are going to present a paper in their department and bring Karbi along on a global picture. And we all wish that with all your support, we like to invite Puja Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar ji to this region, and it will bring a lot of peace and solace in the community.
Bukulia Police Station ki palo sikari gate tarorong adung thangnat alo vipin pen ita kitip akor ike bricks industry pu kapangni kidam tang ani Karbi Autonomous Council EM agriculture hin pen sai katiki along ita kitip akor bilong le lopu pudet apisita piniani anta ita kitip asai claim bom lang pusi birta jakong troxia ni phirang ke pen birta nang pale manjahi thialong ki do inut antan pen ki wang Suresh Singh biha nang ki claim pollution Control Board pen thangnat alo vipin pen si aningkan aronre pen sai claim bom lula pen bukolia sikari gate malom ki do arat pen ki thana tengki Suresh Singh inu chiparo ka pik amone la pen ki theki dinga tumhan ta man pen pithek theo la pen koila ki pur along ta alang likachira tun do puta pinang an atun pen pachini birta ka humdi dam ahud halada ike bricks industry along a manager mate kilang abang nang ki thandun atengi ajat alota ave sita lapuson si claim bom lo pusinang thandun inut isi Karbi Autonomous Council EM amasing ti pen bricks industry along an humri dam si sai katutiki along le adim an ki inghap nang puputa lam toy pitikang lo sita sikari gate along ki do Suresh Singh bricks industry along ki claim bom lason puloti inut biha claim bang chot abang ki Karbi Autonomous Council aphan lang plot ateng lo non malom so por phan birta moing ton pa iksana
Come live, come and test drive Nissan New Sero India. Visit a nearest dealer at Dhanbi Motors. Authorized dealer of Nissan, 80 Road, Kutikala, opposite number 2 petrol pump, Hypergaon, Nagaon, 7820002, Assam. With attractive offers of the month, Micro Active, XVS 50,000, Redigo 15,000, Datsun Go 10,000, Go Plus 10,000, Sunny 50,000. Tarano XL Dio special offers up to 2 lakh. Along with special offers of Ford Doctor. Check on the given screen. For more details, contact sales consultant Vishnu Tiso 9365 454415 9954 793905.
আজিকালি যিকোনো পাৰ্টি মানে কাঞ্জ জুচ বাইদি বেটো কমলাটো খাইছিলি না আনাৰসৰটো পাহাৰীয়া কমলা আৰু আনাৰসৰ পৰা তৈয়াৰ কৰা কাঞ্জ জুচ সম্পূৰ্ণ বিশুদ্ধ কাঞ্জ জুচ খাওক জীৱনৰ মজা লওক
কাঞ্জ জুচ
Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot. A place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014 33731 93652 07012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Made like a gun, goes like a bullet. Sun Motors, authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkelan, near Don Bosco School Lifu, 782460, Assam. Easy finance are available here. Please contact 099 579 88008 or 0789 61 69021.
আপুনি বাৰু বিশুদ্ধ খোৱা পানীৰ অভাৱ অনুভৱ কৰিছে নেকি? এতিয়া আৰু চিন্তা নাই, কাৰণ বজাৰলৈ আহিল কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ। বিজ্ঞানসন্মত উন্নত মানৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰে প্ৰস্তুত কৰা কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰে আপোনাক দূষিত পানীৰ ভয়াৱহতাৰ পৰা আঁতৰত ৰাখিব।
কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ।
Atorkimi outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Trail, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Dihina mobi puthat birta along wangthuro. Korkanthi constituency ki parlo langlokso hawar along piniani anta paribatan towar ke ledam de ang parta towar ka salam ave ki ruthua sai anta ki dengdiret ajok rat ka chilenga phan thedung akisung kachitong nanga birta jakhong ni phai troxiani phirang ke pen birta nang pale. Langlokso hawar ka chileng atowar akile ka henu thektik aputhak ta non barla apora bu jope dap arve ki jang chimit me ajok rat atum ka chilenga phan thedung akisung chitong nang rintilo. Lasi BJP asokar mati pariwartan asokar puke langlokso arat atum theklong le lang lapen Karbi Anglong Termos Council CMEM atum langlokso hawar wang pen kidu kisung pen nang pachok nang jibusi rong arat ningje athe labangso tuwar henno langlokso arat achethe pule pudam detta henuni so that boy that ahutitame bangso tuwar henlo ka chileng I hithi borwa kidun chujor chulang charli aw sumor atum kidam kibang lapen kisuk yun e ahut ason ka chipon ka chiwan lasi praptin pen Karbi Anglong Termos Council CMEM lapen MSC atum labangso tuwar sai kedeng serak jiapan langlokso hawar arat pen kachuning ripado Bukazan along suri hinirasir kep aningkan kuti-kuti atang kapanong si PHC scheme pen kikim kirang lang angkro kitang terek aputhak jakong ni phai trok ani tili sia pormalom vigilance team mate MLA abitung kilang dama birta phirang ke pen ladak birta nang pale Kidamtang surihini rasir kep aningkan kuti tangkap panong silang angkro kikim kirang kepatang tiadim along kilang dam asailong MLA Dr. Numor Momin Penjapon si MLA Bhupen Bharali, MLA Asok Sharma, MLA Mihir Kanti Sum, MLA Noren Sonowar, Joint Secretary Dular Pegu Lepen Karbi ang law Trimus Country M Madhurya Dhekal Phukon atum Humridam. Prapjin pen laso lang angkro alang rada pan kepajun longji pan PhD engineer pan kibupaso tekang. Ang pada kinangsot asonan karju lepen kilang pen cingkicit han tekang. Karbi prime time ang kilapon si Kang Ton Peglo, Dumit Hakmi, Kurwang 2.